I can't be there to little children who dream too.
Brother.
When you go out to play the city,
Get the headliner out. Order this stuff online. That's the cheapest way to do it. Headliner fabric. That's just that nice foam material with the foam back. It's like a royal blue to match the truck. Just gonna roll this out on the headliner board and measure it out. Just kind of trim it up. Spray it all down, both sides. The headliner and the board. Get it all ready to go. Work it out. Trim it back up. So I think what I'm going to do, because these things are kind of beat up and I don't want to repaint them, so I don't think they'll really match. But since it's really close, the same color, and we did this on the 72 Dart that I built, me and my dad, we covered these in fabric and it actually looked really good, turned out really nice. So before we get going, there's one important dude in this whole business. Keeps this shop going, inspects all the cars we got. Make sure everybody stays level-headed because he's easily excited. This is Spot, shop manager. How you doing today, Spot? Doing pretty good, buddy? Oh yeah? Don't excite him too much. Match it up on both sides, try to get it even. You grumpy today? Make sure this stuff doesn't come off. Don't want to get glue on the other side. Come on now. This stuff's a little stretchy, so you can kind of work it. I'll work the middle out. Make sure it lays down in these crevices real nice. There we go. Gotta go ask the pro how to trim this now. Alright, got the fabric all trimmed out, glued out on the headliner. I think you gotta make sure you got plenty of fabric, sharp razor blades, and plenty of glue, a little bit of patience. Since I have like mold trim on the interior that covers all this, you just kind of trim it down to the headliner. I'm going to touch this up, a little bit more, but I'm going to cover the trim. Trim's going to cover this.
You can glue it and spray this, and it leaves an outline. I just spray it, and then I see the outline, and then spray it good, flip it over, lay it on it. You gotta flip it, so you gotta do it a little wider.
Very nice. Cool. Just like that.
Just like that. If you want to fold it over, then I just glue it. Well, you got some now, so that's good. Just glue the back side of it.
Okay.
Well, I get my razor blade. Just put it right on the edge there and then whack it. Whack it like that. And you can't touch anything but the fabric. I like to flip it over and make sure it looks steady.
Very nice.
You just overlap it.
Cool. Very nice. Yeah, here's the... Does that look like it's got enough room?
Yeah.
Like this thing. Get everything covered in fabric. The nice thing about working with this headliner too is that it's kind of forgiving. It's kind of elastic. You can stretch it a little bit, you can work with it. So now we just got to go through, sort through all the screws, the trim screws, get everything kind of, I've got it all laid out where it's going to go. And now's a good time too to detail everything. Detail like where the trim used to be, over the door seals, all that kind of stuff, the dash. So everything's nice, clean when you're putting it back up, and you're not going to get dirt all over your new fabric, so. Oh, shit. Oh. Scrub-a-dub-dub. All right, interior's done. Well, almost done. Got the headliner up. everything covered in fabric. Everything looks good. Detailed some of the interior, you know, like I was saying. Need to detail the seat, put the seat in, and then just give it one final full detail so I can get a good before and after for you guys. But pretty pleased. The color isn't exactly what I wanted for the headliner, but it looks really good. Just detail the seat belts, slap them in, and then just give the whole interior, windows, everything one final wipe down detail. You know, door jambs, all that good stuff. So it's gonna look good.